Hey guys, super simple video on how you can reset an Nespresso Essenza mini. So we just want to first turn off the machine, ensure the machine is off but still plugged in. Then you just want to press and hold the longer button. So Nespresso Essenza mini. You just want to press the longer button, and when you're going to press it and you're gonna hold it, you want to hold it for like 5 seconds, and then you release the button once you see both lights flash 3 times. And the machine is now reset factory settings, which will restore default coffee volume and auto off timer settings. So this is something that you want to do, and how you're gonna do it. Now, of course, you're gonna press and hold it for 5 seconds, okay? And then another thing, really important, is that if it doesn't work out, unplug it completely for like 5 minutes and create like a cycle that can possibly fix the issue too. So have a great day and goodbye.